Post 359 Manchester, the bridge where the wreck was, years 1911. As we go to the pan to the south here, you can see the Lehigh Valley 40-foot boxcar 63-768 and the 63-557, both built in 1950. The Conrail caboose painted as Lehigh Valley for now until we get to real 95019 here from Newark Valley. That's what the GoFundMe page is for. LehighCaboose.com. This is the park. Here's the grade crossing coming up on the right, and the main line going to Buffalo Yard. So this is the Lehigh Valley main line, milepost 359, heading towards Buffalo westbound. And you can see the Finger Lakes Railroad still has customers here with their cars here in the old Manchester yard.